Another day, another story. The Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is the largest and most diverse rainforest in the world. It spans across 9 countries, covering over 5.5 million square kilometers, and is home to millions of species of plants, animals, and insects. Narrator. The Amazon rainforest is a unique ecosystem, with a delicate balance that is essential for the survival of its many inhabitants. Every creature, from the smallest insect to the largest predator, plays a vital role in maintaining this delicate balance. The Amazon rainforest is a haven for an incredible variety of creatures, many of which cannot be found anywhere else on Earth. From jaguars to pink river dolphins, this vibrant ecosystem is home to some of the most unique and fascinating animals in the world. Some of the most iconic creatures of the Amazon rainforest. Harpy eagles. Anaconda. The Amazon is also home to an array of plant life that is equally as diverse and captivating. From towering trees to delicate orchids, this ecosystem is a wonderland of biodiversity. The different habitats found within the rainforest, from the forest floor to the canopy layer. Some of the different species that live in the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is home to some of the most fascinating creatures on the planet. From the brightly colored macaws to the elusive jaguars, there is always something new and exciting to discover. Indigenous people have learned to live in harmony with nature. They collect fruit, fish in the river, and build their homes from materials found in the forest. For centuries, the indigenous people of the Amazon rainforest have lived in harmony with nature. They have a deep understanding of the forest and its creatures, and have learned to live sustainably, taking only what they need from the forest and giving back in return. The Amazon rainforest is made up of different layers, each with its own unique microclimate and ecosystem. The forest floor is home to an abundance of insects and ground-dwelling creatures, while the canopy layer is where many of the arboreal species live and thrive. The Amazon rainforest is a complex ecosystem, made up of distinct layers that each play a critical role in maintaining the overall health and diversity of the forest. The different layers of the forest, starting with the forest floor. The forest floor is the lowest layer of the Amazon rainforest. It is characterized by a thick layer of decomposing plant matter and a relatively low amount of light. This layer is home to a wide variety of insects, fungi, and ground-dwelling creatures like rodents, reptiles, and amphibians. The understory layer, where the vegetation is denser and the light is more limited than in the canopy. The understory layer is the next layer of the rainforest, located above the forest floor. This layer is home to a variety of plants and animals that are adapted to low light conditions, such as smaller trees, shrubs, and vines. The understory is also an important layer for birds and primates, who use it for shelter and foraging. The canopy layer, which is the uppermost layer of the forest. The canopy layer is the most diverse and complex layer of the Amazon rainforest. It is characterized by the tops of the tallest trees in the forest, which can reach heights of over 60 meters. The canopy is home to many species of birds, primates, and insects, as well as epiphytes and orchids that grow on the branches of the trees. The emergent layer, which is the very top layer of the forest. The emergent layer is the highest layer of the Amazon rainforest, consisting of the tallest trees that tower above the canopy. This layer is home to a variety of birds and insects that are adapted to the high altitude, such as toucans and monkeys. The video ends with a shot of the rainforest from above, showing the different layers and the vast expanse of the forest. The different layers of the Amazon rainforest work together to create a complex and interconnected ecosystem that is essential to the health of our planet. Narrator: the Amazon rainforest is not only a natural wonder, but it also plays a critical role in the health of our planet. It is often referred to as the lungs of the Earth, because the rainforest produces 20% of the world's oxygen and absorbs large amounts of carbon dioxide. Narrator: the Amazon rainforest is a truly magical place, a wonder of nature that we must do everything we can to protect. It is our responsibility to preserve this delicate ecosystem for future generations to enjoy. Unfortunately, the Amazon rainforest is facing many threats today. Deforestation, climate change, and illegal wildlife trafficking are just a few of the challenges that the rainforest and its creatures are facing. The camera shows footage of logging trucks, smoke from fires, and destroyed areas of the forest. The loss of the Amazon rainforest would have catastrophic consequences for our planet. Not only would it result in the extinction of countless species, but it would also have a devastating impact on our climate. Save the rainforest. Planting trees, and working with local communities to raise awareness about the importance of protecting the rainforest can help to save the rainforest. It is up to all of us to take action to protect the Amazon rainforest. By supporting conservation efforts, reducing our carbon footprint, and making responsible choices, we can all make a difference. The Amazon rainforest is not only home to millions of species of plants, animals, and insects, but it is also vital to the health of our planet. Let's work together to protect this incredible ecosystem and ensure that it thrives for generations to come. Protect the Amazon. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.